Gavin, you may now kiss your bride. And it is said, two is better than one. So do we want to see them kiss one more time?
Once more!
Wow, Gavin really knows to kiss. And of course, Gavin, you will agree with me, 3 is the best number. So let's do this in the French style.
He's asking where my father is. Yeah?
Friends, as we say goodbye to each other, I would like to bring to your notice few professionals who have come together to make this day historic for Gavin and Rosetta. First of all, Valencia Caterers, who've been the heart and soul of this evening. They have done their best to gratify your taste buds. Also,